Living with diabetes can be a daily challenge, but every choice we make can have a significant impact on our long-term health. That's why it's crucial to recognize and avoid the 4 mistakes that a diabetic can make, and understand the 3 secrets to regenerating the pancreas. These mistakes can not only complicate blood sugar control, but also trigger a host of serious complications and even threaten our quality of life. On the other hand, the revealed secrets offer not only hope, but also a concrete path to strengthen our pancreas, the epicenter of the diabetes challenge. Imagine being able to take control of your health, managing your diabetes, and knowing how to regenerate the organ responsible for so much suffering. This possibility is within your reach. Let's delve deeply into each aspect of these mistakes and secrets, empowering you with the necessary knowledge to make informed decisions and transform your life for the better. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with valuable insights, proven strategies, and the motivation needed to make choices that promote optimal health, diabetes control, and lasting well-being. So, let's dive into this universe of possibilities and discoveries that can change your journey with diabetes forever. Let's uncover now the first mistake. Mistake number 1. Not prioritizing hydration. Often neglected, hydration is a crucial aspect of health, especially for those living with diabetes. I'll explain to you why hydration is essential for people with diabetes, the consequences of dehydration, and how staying hydrated can help control blood sugar levels. Dehydration can have devastating effects for people with diabetes. When the importance of hydration is not recognized, the body can suffer from internal dehydration, leading to thick and concentrated blood. This not only damages cells but also interferes with organ function, including the pancreas, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar. Internal dehydration can lead to a series of complications for people with diabetes. In addition to damaging cells, it can exacerbate high blood sugar levels, making diabetes control even more challenging. Dehydration can also increase the risk of long-term complications, such as kidney damage and cardiovascular problems. Fortunately, staying hydrated is a simple and effective solution to avoid these problems. Drinking water regularly throughout the day is essential, starting with a glass of water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Additionally, it's important to continue hydrating consistently throughout the day, ensuring that the body remains properly hydrated. Hydration is crucial for people with diabetes as it plays a crucial role in maintaining health and controlling blood sugar levels. By recognizing the importance of hydration and taking steps to stay hydrated, it's possible to avoid complications and ensure a better quality of life for those living with diabetes. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to help us reach more interested people. Your participation makes all the difference. Together, we can build an even more amazing community. Mistake number 2. Skipping or having an inadequate breakfast. Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day. We will examine the effects of skipping breakfast or consuming unhealthy options, the consequences of these habits, and how a balanced breakfast can help control blood sugar levels. Skipping breakfast or opting for unhealthy foods can have serious repercussions for people with diabetes. These habits can result in spikes in blood sugar levels and lead to harmful food choices throughout the day. The lack of a proper morning meal can disrupt metabolism and increase cravings for sugary and calorie-rich foods. The effects of skipping breakfast or consuming unhealthy foods can be detrimental for people with diabetes. This can result in high blood sugar levels, putting them at greater risk of diabetes-related complications. Additionally, it can lead to an unbalanced diet, with negative impacts on overall health and weight control. A simple solution to avoid these problems is to consume a balanced breakfast, rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Opting for foods such as whole oats, eggs, Greek yogurt, fresh fruits, and nuts can help regulate blood sugar levels and control cravings throughout the day. It is also important to avoid processed and sugar-rich foods, opting for healthier and more nutritious options. Breakfast is a crucial part of the diet for people with diabetes. By choosing healthy and balanced options for the first meal of the day, it is possible to maintain stable blood sugar levels and promote better overall health. By making breakfast a priority and opting for nutritious foods, those with diabetes can better control their condition and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Error number 3. Ignoring insulin resistance. Ignoring insulin resistance and not supporting pancreatic function are common mistakes made by people with diabetes. We'll discuss the effects of these behaviors, the health consequences, and solutions to improve diabetes control. Insulin resistance is a crucial aspect of diabetes that is often overlooked. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, glucose cannot efficiently enter cells, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and potential complications. Ignoring insulin resistance can worsen the effects of diabetes and lead to long-term complications. Insulin resistance prevents proper regulation of blood sugar levels, which can lead to a range of complications for people with diabetes. This includes damage to blood vessels, nerves, and organs, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease, neuropathy, and kidney problems. Regular physical activity and prioritizing quality sleep are effective ways to improve insulin sensitivity. Exercise helps increase glucose uptake by cells, while adequate sleep regulates hormones that affect insulin sensitivity. The pancreas plays a key role in regulating blood sugar by producing insulin. Consuming foods and substances that inflame or damage the pancreas can worsen diabetes symptoms and exacerbate blood sugar control issues. A damaged pancreas results in decreased insulin production, making it even more difficult for the body to regulate blood sugar levels. This can lead to extreme fluctuations in blood glucose levels and increase the risk of diabetes-related complications. Avoiding foods and substances that harm the pancreas and consuming a diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids can help support pancreatic function. This includes avoiding processed foods, sugar-rich foods, and trans fats, and opting for whole, nutritious foods. Recognizing and supporting insulin resistance and pancreatic function are essential steps in diabetes control. By practicing regular physical activity, prioritizing quality sleep, and adopting a healthy diet, it is possible to improve insulin sensitivity and support insulin production by the pancreas, thus reducing the risk of complications and promoting a better quality of life for people with diabetes. Error number 4. Not supporting pancreatic function. The pancreas plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels by producing insulin. However, certain dietary habits and substances can damage the pancreas, worsening diabetes symptoms. I'll explain how not supporting pancreatic function can impact health and diabetes control, as well as offer solutions to promote pancreatic health. Consuming foods and substances that inflame or damage the pancreas is a common mistake made by many people with diabetes. These foods and substances can overload the pancreas and interfere with proper insulin production. A damaged pancreas results in decreased insulin production, which exacerbates blood sugar control issues. This can lead to extreme fluctuations in blood glucose levels and increase the risk of diabetes-related complications, such as heart disease, kidney damage, and neuropathy. Avoiding foods and substances that harm the pancreas is essential to maintain its health and proper function. Opt for a diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to promote pancreatic health and aid in insulin production. Reduce consumption of processed foods, refined sugars, trans fats, and chemical additives. Also, avoid excessive alcohol and cigarette consumption, which are known to damage the pancreas. Include fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Additionally, antioxidant-rich foods, such as colorful fruits and vegetables, can help protect the pancreas from damage caused by free radicals. Regularly consume foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, sardines, nuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the pancreas and promote its health. Supporting pancreatic health is crucial for effective diabetes control. By avoiding harmful foods and substances and consuming a diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, it is possible to promote pancreatic health and improve blood sugar control, thus reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Now let's reveal the 3 secrets to regenerate the pancreas. Secret number 3. Adopting essential vitamins and supplements. For many people with diabetes, effective management of the condition goes beyond diet and exercise. Certain vitamins and supplements play a crucial role in supporting diabetes management, improving insulin sensitivity, and pancreatic function. I will now reveal the medical recommendations for essential vitamins and supplements for those living with diabetes. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood glucose and insulin sensitivity. Magnesium supplements can help improve insulin resistance by facilitating glucose entry into cells and reducing blood sugar levels.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D plays an important role in regulating the immune system and bone health, but it is also linked to insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency is associated with a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Vitamin D supplements can help improve pancreatic function and reduce insulin resistance. Curcumin. Curcumin is the active compound found in turmeric, a spice known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body, which can benefit people with diabetes. Curcumin supplements can help support pancreatic function and improve blood sugar control. For people with diabetes, incorporating certain essential vitamins and supplements can be an effective strategy to improve condition control. Magnesium, vitamin D, and curcumin supplements are recommended to improve insulin sensitivity, support pancreatic function, and reduce the risks associated with diabetes. However, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation regimen to ensure safety and effectiveness for each individual. Secret number 2. Antioxidant-rich teas and infusions. The consumption of antioxidant-rich teas and infusions has been associated with a range of health benefits, including pancreatic protection and improvement of insulin resistance. Let's understand the positive effects of these beverages on pancreatic health and provide recommendations for teas and infusions that can be incorporated into the daily diet. Oregano infusion. Oregano is an herb rich in antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid and thymol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of oregano infusion can help protect the pancreas against oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, thus improving pancreatic health. Bay leaf infusion. Bay leaf is another herb that contains powerful antioxidants, such as eugenol and caffeic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Drinking bay leaf infusion regularly can help combat oxidative stress in the pancreas and improve pancreatic function, promoting better regulation of blood sugar levels. Cloves infusion. Cloves are a spice rich in antioxidant compounds, such as eugenol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of cloves infusion can help protect the pancreas against oxidative damage and improve insulin resistance, contributing to better diabetes control. Incorporating antioxidant-rich teas and infusions into the daily diet can be an effective strategy to promote pancreatic health and improve insulin resistance. Oregano, bay leaf, and cloves infusions are delicious and nutritious options that can be enjoyed regularly to support pancreatic health and improve diabetes control. However, it's important to remember that these beverages should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Secret number 1. Incorporating healthy fats into the daily diet. Incorporating healthy fats into the daily diet is crucial for overall health. We will highlight the benefits of healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, and provide recommendations for sources of these essential nutrients to aid in diabetes control and pancreatic health. Heart protection. Healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, are known to protect the heart, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which are common in people with diabetes. Reduction of inflammation. Consuming healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the body, a significant risk factor for the development of diabetes-related complications. Improvement of pancreatic function. Studies have shown that healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, can help improve pancreatic function, promoting better regulation of blood sugar levels. Recommendations for sources of healthy fats. Egg yolk. Egg yolk is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, along with other essential nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Avocado. Avocado is a rich source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and blood sugar control. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the best sources of healthy fats, being rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants. Fatty fish. Fish such as salmon, sardines, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and reducing inflammation. Nuts and seeds. Nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and other seeds are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids, as well as fiber and other essential nutrients. Including healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, in the daily diet is crucial for people with diabetes. These nutrients not only protect the heart and reduce inflammation, but can also improve pancreatic function and help control blood sugar. By following these recommendations and avoiding common mistakes, people with diabetes can promote better health and reduce the risk of complications associated with the condition.